other side. Bend here. Cover the wrist here. Flying it back.
That's your priority. Thank you very much. That's it, close that. That's it. Don't bite your tongue. Put your hands in your stomach, please. That's it. I'm gonna have a nice decompression stretch. Oh yes! Ooh. That was a good one, yeah? Ooh. I will do the lower back now.
Okay.
And we'll be 100% all spine decompressed.
Alright.
How are you now? Stay there. Still shot. Good, good, good. Give me a hand. Sit up. Stay exactly. Let me do the lower back now. Hold yourself.
Alright.
Fold back my chest. That's right. Oh, that was a good one. That was good.
Oh,
You can lie down if you can rest a little bit.
Jesus.